Okay, action.
What?
Action. Go. Do something.
Alright.
Not down there, out here.
I wasn't used to the
He's
depth.
laughing.
Was
He's
expecting
so
Locked
happy.
out?
I was expecting it not to open. Oh, I have to. See, now I'm happy. Oh,
Okay, get mad.
Stop. The more you talk, the more you're making me laugh. So that was stop.
Okay, sorry.
Hold on.
Okay, whenever you're ready.
Hold up. Gotta fix something. Can't fall down.
He has that issue a lot.
We should invest in buying a belt.
I'm gonna bring belts next time. Write that on my list. Okay. Okay. Action.
I don't want to talk about it, Dad.
We need to talk sometime.
I said I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, let me get you.
You could have just kept
What are
going.
you doing?
It was too funny.
You back.
Just the words you said. I know last night was kind of rough. The both of us was upset.
The glass.
Right.
Action.
Why would you say that?
Why would she say what? Action?
Action!
Okay, come on.